back to my channel. Today, let me show you my eggplant recipe. Let's get started! Mmm, 美味しいね。